Assalamualaikum and a very good morning. Hi, my name is Muhammad Adi Farhan bin Muhammad Shafiz. I am 11 years old. My hobby is reading storybooks. Today, I want to review my favorite storybook entitled The Smart Boy, written by Mimi Samuel. The book has 16 pages and about 800 words. This storybook also captured my eyes with many colorful pictures. The pictures help me to understand the story more. I like this storybook because it has an interesting plot and teach many valuable lessons. It is a wonderful storybook that captures readers' attention from the beginning. The story takes place during the time of Caliph Harun al-Rashid. It is about a kind merchant named Ali Khogia from Baghdad. Before he goes on a long journey to Mecca, he hides 1,000 gold coins in a jar under some dates. He gives the jar to his friend Hussein to keep it safe. Years later, Hussein's curiosity and greed get the better of him. Discovering the gold beneath the now rotten dates, he steals the coins, places the old fruit with fresh dates, and reseals the jar. When Ali Khogia finally returns and discovers his wealth is missing, Hussein denies any knowledge of the gold because Ali Khogia has no witnesses to prove the gold was ever in the jar. The local judge dismissed the case. Ali then asked Caliph for help. One night, the Caliph sees children playing and acting out the case. A smart boy pretends to be the judge. The boy says that if the dates were really 7 years old, they would be rotten. But the dates are fresh, so Hussein must have changed them. This proves that Hussein is lying. My favorite part in this story is when the Caliph is impressed and brings the boy to the real court. The boy explains his idea again, and this time Hussein is found guilty. He is ordered to return the gold to Ali Khogia and is sentenced to prison, proving that even the clever deception can be uncovered by simple common sense. This story teaches us that lying does not work. The truth will always come out in the end. The smart boy's actions in this story teach the adult an important lesson about thinking carefully before making decisions. Intelligence and wise thinking are more powerful than age of authority. I believe that children around my age will like to read this storybook. This book also teach me many unfamiliar words and easy to understand. I give this book 5 stars because it teaches children to be honest and use their thinking skills. I think that's all for me to say now. Bye.